So, if you're watching this, you probably own a pair of Air Forces, right? But you don't know how to lace them. If that's the case, then your mama raised a fool. Just kidding. Today I'm going to show you how to lace your Air Forces in a cool and unique way, because doing up the laces are a big part of how good customs turn out, and you already know it's not about what you wear, it's about how you wear it. So here's something they didn't teach you in school. But if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you're into the cool arty paint stuff. And I am going to do a custom shoes giveaway at 1,000 subscribers just to show my appreciation for all your love and support. So first step, ensure the AF1 tag is in the center of the lace and insert the lace from the outside hole. Now throughout the whole process you want to make sure the lace is straight with no twists to make sure it's neat. Next up, get a pen. Now position the pen on one side of the outside holes, and with the inside lace you want to wrap it around the pen and feed it through the outside hole. Make sure to wrap it tightly around the pen. It's very important to have no loose parts. And then you just want to repeat these steps for the next few holes. Make sure to leave 2 holes at the end free. And then remove the pen. So now with the other lace, we can feed it through the gap that the pen left behind. Now make sure to be firm and pull the lace tightly, and then insert it through the outside hole of the other side. And then same again for the other gaps. See, again, it's important to keep the lace straight throughout the whole process to make sure you get no twists or turns in the lace, which can really ruin the look. So you should have equal lengths of laces on each side, and they should currently be on the inside of the hole. So what you want to do is feed them through the final outside hole. Now time for the butterfly. So we start by tying the lace once, and then again, and we're going to bring the tips of the laces through this hole in the middle. What's important here is to keep the lace wrapped around your finger until the lace passes through the hole. So now it will be really loose. To tighten the knot, pull the top 2 bows. So now it's tight, we can just adjust the size of each bow and create a butterfly. You can see how you can make the tip shorter by pulling the top bow. So just experiment with that. And there we have it, the butterfly laces. And this was only my second attempt, so I think anyone can do it. But if you want to save yourself some effort, you can keep the laces as standard and just do the butterfly with the ends. Let me know which ones you guys prefer. If this video was useful, give it a like, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.